Okay. Good morning, students. This is Suraj Patel and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. Okay. So today's chapter is the quadratic equation, the continuation of the algebra. I think so. It is the climax of the algebra. First one is polynomials. Second one is PLE. Which one is pair of linear equations in two variables, and this is the quadratic equation algebra. This x and y terms, right? So this is the chapter 4, I think so. Chapter number 4, quadratic. Very specific in polynomials. Quadratic equations. No? Quadratic equations. Equation is nothing but algebraic expression. Equation is nothing but algebraic expression of the variables. Algebraic means unknown numbers. A and B, X and Y, S and T, P and Q, something else. Unknown numbers you're taking. That is the algebraic expression of variables. Equation is algebraic expression of variables. Okay. This is quadratic union. Quadratic unions in polynomials. Polynomials we have different kinds of equations, right? Based on the terms we have monomial means 2x 3y 4z single terms. Second one is binomial. Okay, binomial is two terms, means 2x plus 3y z plus y, okay, s plus t, q plus p, whatever it may be, different, okay, and x square plus x, okay, y cube plus y square, two terms. Nomials means two terms, okay. Trinomials means three terms. Trinomial means three terms. X plus y plus z, okay. This is not okay. Important means not deep learning. Okay, we don't need too much. Don't focus on this much. Only for basics understanding the term, different terms we call monomial, binomial, or trinomial. But here they don't need to focus here also, because our thing is depends on the degree. A degree, every single degree matters a lot here. Okay, this right side based on degree, it is the whole mathematics based on the degree. Degree is the highest power on the variable, right? Highest power on the variable in the equation variable. Okay. If a degree is, see here, term may be, you are not bothered with the terms. If a degree is different, automatically term changes. Okay, you can write the terms also. If degree is 0, d is equal to 0. So equation becomes p of x is equal to y is equal to becomes x to the power 0 plus a becomes a constant. Constant polynomial, constant equation, constant function. Okay, whatever it may be. The degree 0 is called constant value. A means whatever it may be, real numbers, root 2, root 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be, constant. If a degree is 1, called linear, p of x, ax plus b. Here one, this is called linear. Okay, I have to study also. Linear means line. Okay, in ax plus in pair of linear equations. Today na, linear means line, single line. This is the line. Linear. Also we can call one dimensional measure. One dimensional measure. Right? Very important. Linear means this is the form of ax plus b, where x is the variable and a, b are the constant. Okay. If a degree is 2, then this equation becomes ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For this, See, for here only one zeros in graph. It cuts x-axis to one single point, but here it cuts the 2 points curve, right? In degree also, if 2 degree means the 2-dimensional, okay? This is in the form of ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, is equal to 0. This is like that 2-dimensional, okay? Length and breadth. Because the area is equal to what? L into b na. If you take an x and x, square means what? Same length. You can take na x into x is equal to x square. This is quadratic means 2-dimensional. Quadratic equation means 2-dimensional measure, 2D measure. Be careful. 2D measure. Right? Next one is, if degree is 3, is called cubic. General form is ax cube plus bx plus cx bx square cx plus d is equal to 0. This is 3 na? The 3-dimensional measure. Like that, length, breadth and height. Right? Length, breadth and height. Okay. In geometry, in graphs we have curve. In graphs we have curve. Okay. Means x-axis cuts in 2 ways, with 2 zeros. In dimensions, in the geometry we have this one, area. This is nothing but area. Very important. Area. If the degrees to 2-dimensional measure is called area. L into b, x into x, x square. Getting a first term. In a 3-dimensional value, this is value. We called it value. Okay. For the cuboid, element of the cuboid means what? X into x now. This is x, and this is x, and this is x. This becomes x into x into x. Volume becomes x into x. What is the x cube? So some equations are also there, but first term you get the x cube. Right? The value becomes length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. This is the beauty of the algebraic expression. So when a cubic equation, it indicates a 3-dimensional figure. The quadratic equation indicates the 2-dimensional figure. Means you can get the area also. Linear equation indicates the 1-dimensional figure. Line only. Right? Okay. If it is 4-dimensional figure, that is different. Okay. It's not okay. Up to 3 dimension we have the imagination mathematics, but 4th one, 5th one, 6th one, they exist, but not imaginable. Okay. Quite difficult to imagine the figures in the on this 2D na. That's why it's the difficult. Okay. Right. With the equations, polynomials we have the based on terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, based on the degree. Okay. This is the not only focusing area terms, but the which one? Degree is the very important thing here. Degree, if it's 0, is called constant function. Okay, constant function we can call it 0, something else, point also. Okay, something is the point here. Okay, point means something, constant function. It's independent. And d is equal to 1 is called linear, 1-dimensional, measure of length or breadth or depth, whatever it may be, one measure. Right? Then degree is equal to 2 is the quadratic equation. Quadratic. Okay. Itself is there na 2 na? We have 2 values na, x into x, L into b, 2 measures. 2-dimensional measures. Very important. Quadratic equation means 2-dimensional measures. We will get the 2 values of x. This one or this are 2 points on the geometrical graph. Cubic equation means measure of value. X into x into x. We will get x cube. Why x cube? But this you can write na. Ax cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 0 is equal to 0. We can write. Similarly for x square also we can write square ax square plus 0x plus c means 0 is equal to 0. this. Okay. So this is the standard form. 0x square plus 0x plus 0 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. This is the, but still here you have only one value. But see difference and see. The length and breadth are same. That's why taking this C. Length and breadth are different. Again, I can get the value means what? One area multiplication again. Then take this area and this area and this area, inner area. So that's the thing here, right? Just okay. Just then look at the real life examples of the quadratic equations. These are the basic understandings, basic introductions also. Let's see the real life understandings, right? Then any equation in the form of ax or bx is called, okay? Let's write the any equation p of x you can call ax square plus bx plus c, okay, is equal to 0. You can take also, do not take it, that's okay. No? This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, okay. Let's see the real life examples. What the real life example means, okay. If the area of the rectangle, okay, this is the x, we don't know, unknown number, and this is the like that 2x plus 1, 2 times of the length more than 1. This is the how the breadth is, or the length is 2 times of the more than 1, 2 times of the x and more than 1, okay. In addition to the 1, the breadth length is 2 times of the length, height or breadth, really you can solve. And total area is 100 square unit, okay. Then how will write this one as, okay, what is the area, okay, this is the area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, length into breadth. What you will write? A is equal to length into breadth, right? But the area is equal to length into breadth. What is length here? 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 100. They given area, okay. This becomes 2x square s plus x is equal to 100. This implies that 2x square plus x minus 100 is equal to 0, okay. Right now standard form becomes standard form ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, 2x square plus x minus 100 is equal to 0. This is the beauty of the quadratic equation. By quadratic equation you can deduce the area of the, okay, parameters of the length and breadth if you given the area, rectangle with conditions. But we have different solutions for this, by formula, by factorization, by splitting middle term, completing square, but for the application of real life application of these are this. If you don't know the length and breadth, but you know the relation between the length and breadth, then you can find the length and breadth by these conditions, x square and y square. Again, let's take the, okay, the product of the two consecutive numbers, product of two consecutive means next one term and next immediate next term, consecutive numbers, two numbers. Product of two consecutive numbers is 6. Then how will it is, everyone you know, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, right? 2 into 3 is this is 2 into 3 is equal to 6, you can write. But here can I write 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. If I take an x, 2 as a x, this becomes x plus 1 is equal to 6. If I don't know the number, okay, then I get an x plus 1, then this becomes x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Again quadratic in nature, right? Again quadratic in nature. The product of the two consecutive numbers, Product of the two consecutive numbers is 6, right? Right? Not only, so you can take the random values also, whatever it may be. If 4 into 5, 20, 5 into 6, 35, that is 30, 7 into 8, 42, consecutive numbers. Depends on the product what they given here, we can deduce the solution. In a real life also we can do, okay. The purchase the product, okay, amount of panties like that. Then you have the shopping mall. Okay. If you went to a shopping mall, then you purchase the pant, 2 pieces of pants, okay, at cost of your X rupees, and your friend purchased more than that one, more than 2x plus 1 pant, okay, and then the product of these two items. You went to a shop and purchased the number of pants, 2 pants with the different same value. Your friend purchased 2 pants, more than 2 pants, and 2 times of the same pants with more than 1 value. Okay, some addition to that value. Then the product becomes which one? Product becomes something is 100 rupees or 200 rupees, something is 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees again you are getting the same things here. Okay, let's see, just to be specific. You went to a shopping mall, you purchased a pant of rupees X, and your friend purchased the pant of rupees same pant, okay, with addition of 100 rupees. Okay, you went to a shopping mall, that multi-store building, and you purchased a pant of 2 pants of X values, X rupees, and your friend purchased the same pant with 100 rupees more, means he tax 100 rupees more by something else. Then the product becomes something else, okay. Then product becomes product of 2 values, this plus 100 become 1000 rupees. Then find the value of pant. Okay, trouser you can call also, shirt you can call also, whatever it may be. The real life examples. Okay, you can also tiffin center, so you can do racing, run racing, okay, boat swimming, train, bus speed, whatever it may be. Okay, depends on the each one. Okay, problems. Okay, you can deduce the form the quadratic equation. If you got the quadratic equation in this form, then again you can find the 4x square plus 200x minus 1000 is equal to 0. Okay, if you got the quadratic equation form, then we have the numerous method to solve the equation to find the value of x. Okay, this is the example. Then let's see the sum. Okay, yes. Okay, introduction have only simple concepts. Whether check the given numbers are the given equation are quadratic or not. Let's see some examples. So, check the whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Okay, let's check here. Okay, before going to start the nature, just have the some word problem. Okay, just John and Zivanti together have 45 marbles. John and Zivanti. John and Zivanti, right? Zivanti have 45 marbles. Right? Both of them lost 5 marbles each. Okay. Minus 5 and minus 5. Okay. And product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. You would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Okay. This is the condition. So I have to write in the form of this one quadratic equation form. Okay. solution are the given, right? Let's see the, okay, then how to make it in the quadratic form. Okay, see, John and Zivan they have, okay, we don't know. Let's John have x marbles, right? So then Zivan they have, so you can take the y marbles also, or you can take the 45 minus x also. Okay, if you don't know, you can take the x minus y, then you can take the 45 minus cc. If she has 40 land, then each one, John has a 40, then Jivanti has the, if there are 4k, if there are 100 marbles, let's consider. So John has 40 marbles, okay, then Jivanti should have 60 marbles now, because this is like that, 100 minus 40, okay. If this is x and this is which one, x minus 100, if I taken this is x, then what the given is 45 now. This should be 100 minus x. Total they have 45. This should be, okay, equation like that. Okay. Here we can take x also. The John has x and Jivanti has y, and sir Jivanti also 45 minus x. Okay. The total they have 45. Total they have 45 na. What the remaining is 45 minus x. The remaining is y. Okay. So that is also true. If you want, I can do use also. So what the question is, x plus y is equal to 45, right? First condition is x plus y is equal to 45. Both have the marbles. So later they lost 5 marbles. Okay, they lost 5 marbles, and the product is 124. 5 marbles means they lost 5 minus 5 is equal to 124. This is also right. If you are not getting also, this also right, x minus 5, okay, 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to 124. This is also right. This implies x minus 5, 45 minus 40 minus x is equal to 124. Here also it comes, okay. I should write in the x form now. What the quadratic equation is? Only one variable. So what the value of y here? X minus 5. Y is equal to 45 minus x now. Here write in 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to 124. That is the same equation. Right? 40 minus 5 is equal to 40 minus x. Okay. Our motto is, okay, we got x minus 5 is equal to 40 minus x is equal to 124. We should check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Multiply it. X, okay. Multiplication, I don't know whether you are beginners or not, but see, first step, just follow it. First term multiplies the both term, 40 minus x, and the second term with the sign as it is, again multiply the second term is 124. Right? This is 40x minus x square. This is 5 into 4. 120 is 200 na? 200 plus minus 5x is equal to 124. Something else getting minus x square plus 5x plus 45x plus 45x, okay, minus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0. Next step, x square, okay, 40x minus plus 5x, 45x plus 45x, okay, this is minus 324. 324 is equal to 0. Change the sign. First term should be in, okay, positive term. Multiply minus by both sides. X square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. This is in the quadratic form. Right. So here the question is, okay, what was the question is? Yes. Say, Question is about the marbles. John and Zivanti have 45 marbles. They lost 5 each later, but after the counting the marbles, the product is like that. They got 124. Okay, after loss, they have the product is 124. Then what is the number of marbles that have? That start with the number of marbles. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. By solving this, we will get the numbers, exact values. This is the real life example. Then let's see the book's question. That which does the following are quadratic or not? Let's see 1 and 3. Some questions are okay. So this is the first foundation course, first line of teaching. So here I will solve the only solved questions. Next time by the exercise part. Next time by the addition, next by the previous things. Okay. I will add to the questions and again. Okay. But to complete the syllabus here, so I am going to the limited questions. Just my thing is here to understand the concept clearly, conceptually. Because focusing the questions now, the concept may not become clear here. So here the first course of teaching, this uploading, I will follow the complete basics. Then next line is exercise part, solved examples. Third is previous questions. Fourth is updating the things, depends on the exam demands, right? Check whether the following are quadratic or not. First one is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3, right? Quadratic or not means you should write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then it is only quadratic. If it is not in the x square, never become a quadratic. Solution is here. Okay. Expand is okay. X square minus 2 into 2x, right? 2 into 2ab plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3. Right? This is x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus minus plus 2x becomes minus 2x plus 3 is minus 3 is becomes plus 3. Become the equal sign, opposite to the equal sign. Then x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is in the quadratic form. Bx plus c, ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, this equation is not quadratic. Therefore, this is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, let's see the second one. Then x plus, okay. Then x into x plus 1 plus 8. Second one is x into x plus 1. Okay, plus 8, I think so. Plus 8 is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2. Check the whether this is the quadratic C. We are multiplying here x square and you are also multiplying x square. Both are have x square. X also get cancelled. So in beginning you can say it is not in quadratic equation. X into x square, again x into x square, only one term only. But here we do not have the, but the x square also get cancelled now. Both equals. Let's multiply it here. X square plus x plus 8 is equal to, for the form here, a plus of b into a minus of b. Can I write? X square minus 4, 2 square. So plus x square get cancelled. Right? This is x plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 12 is equal to 0. So this becomes linear equation. Linear equation. Therefore, this is not a quadratic. If degree is 1 becomes a linear equation. Therefore, not a quadratic equation. Right? Okay. So what the form is, it should be in x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Whatever it may be. They given any powers should be get cancelled. What remaining should be is x square plus x plus c. It's in that form. Okay. Let's check it. There are many word forms are there. Okay, the product of two consecutive integers, positive integers is 306. So we need to find the integers. Okay. But again, solution we don't know. Okay. Let's say take the one example. Okay. A train travels a distance of 40 km in uniform speed. One example from the word problem. A train travels a distance of 40 km in uniform speed, but the d is equal to 480 km with uniform speed, right? The speed had been 80 km or less, then it would be taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay, write in the quadratic form. What the here is, Cs is equal to d by t, right? D by t na, this implies that S1, okay, S is equal to 480 by t. First condition, normal speed, then form speed, it reaches the this one 480 into this 40 km with that time, t time. If the speed is reduced by s minus 8, okay, speed is reduced by 8 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. It would take same distance, take the t plus 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. This is the second equation. Okay, just to put the C. Here we can make the values of here. So this is equal to 480 by t plus 3 plus 8 1. Either we can put the value of s in this equation. In this equation we will get the in terms of t, or put the value t is equal to 480 by s. In this equation we get the value. Just look at the here. Okay, s is equal to this one now, right? Put the value here. S is equal to 40 by t by 3. For the s here, first equation, s is equal to 480 by t. For the s here, 480 by t plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 480 by t. Right? So this becomes, okay, 480 plus 8 into t plus 3 by t plus 3 is equal to 480 by t, cross multiplication. Okay, and this becomes, okay, 480 t, right, plus 8t into t plus 3 is equal to, okay, t plus 3 into 480. Right? So here you can 8 into t, 8 into t. So again I will multiply here. This may be complex, but to be easy, okay, only calculation part is complex. Okay, 480t, 480t, right, plus 8t square, 8t square plus 8 into 3 means 24t is equal to 480t plus 480 into 3, okay, 43, 150 minus 60, 1500 minus 60 is 1400, okay, 1440, okay, 48 into 3 is 4, 2, 144, right? Okay, this equation becomes here, right now, 8t square, 480t and 480t get cancelled, I think so, plus 240t minus 140 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, right? One equation. This is the one form. Another form is just take the t also. Okay, t1 and t2, s1, s2 also you can get the 3 answer. Another form is with these conditions. Okay, but the condition is here. S is equal to t and s minus 8 is equal to 480 by t plus 3. Okay, so here what happens? T is equal to 480 by s and here t plus 3 is equal to 480 by s minus 8. This is right. So just take the difference. T plus 3 minus t is equal to first equation, second equation. This is the second equation, this is the first equation. T plus 3, okay, t plus 3 minus t becomes, what is t plus 3 here? 480 by s minus 8 minus 480 by x, yes, speed. So t get cancelled. 3 is equal to 480 minus by s minus 8 minus 480 by s. This is also another form. Okay, then do the cross multiplication here. So the here 3s into s minus 8 is equal to 480s minus, okay, 480s plus 480 into 8, right? 480 means, okay, 500 into 8 is 5 into 500 into 8 is, or the 84, 4000, 4000 minus 160, okay, 3840, 3840. So this is this get cancelled. 3s square minus 8s minus 3840 is equal to 0. This is also one form. In terms of t also we can write, in terms of s also we can write. 3s square minus 8s minus 3840 is equal to 0. The table, okay. Just, okay, by solution, okay, that we have the numerical solution. That's okay, we'll go to the solution also. But this is how to represent this word problem in the number of algebraic expression. This is the thing here. Okay, next is solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, factorization, what do you know? Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, friends. Next is Solution of quadratic equation by factorization. Factorization. Okay, how to write the good handwriting. Factorization. Okay, it's not possible. Let it be. Okay, factorization. Okay, the general equation is, you know already. Yes, general equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, no? Okay, in general equation I am taking 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, let's take the booked example. Minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Our solution means what? Root of the equation. Solution means what? Root or roots of the equation. Or zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. You can specifically call here quadratic equation. Zero of the equation. What the solution means? You should find the value of x such that that value should satisfy this equation. Okay, value of x that should satisfy the given equation. Like that. Okay, whatever it may be. Here, what are the value here? So you can put 2. Okay, just see the 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what I am doing here, just multiplying this and this term. 3 into 2, those are the rules. This becomes 6. The factors of 6 are, okay. So here, if we multiply by these two factors, I will get positive 6. If we add, I should get the minus 5. By multiplication, you should get 6. By adding or difference, you should get that minus 5. Should take the such factors. So can I take plus or 2, plus or minus 3, factors of 2 and 3. So here, I take plus 2 plus 3, I will get 6. But the plus 2 plus 3 gives plus 5, not minus 5. So minus 2 minus 3, you are getting plus 6, and minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 3 getting minus 5. So these are the factors I am taking here. 2x square, okay, minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, splitting. Taking the common out from here. Just take the common here. For here, 2x is common. Remaining is x minus 1. That is the common here. Minus 3 here. Minus 3 is common. Take x minus 1. Take a minus outside, na? Minus 1 minus also outside. Okay. What's here common here is equal to 0. X minus 1 is common. Remaining terms are x minus 3. 2x minus equal to 0. Okay. This is the linear product of the equation. Okay. Linear pairs. You got not x minus 1 is linear and 2x minus 3 is also linear and equal to 0. If the product is equal to 0, so okay. What will be okay? Okay, if this is equal to 0, then this implies either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Something else, okay. If the value is x is equal to 0, whatever it may be, okay, na? See, 2 into 0 is equal to 0 means we don't know either this is the 0 na, or 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Okay, see either this is x, this is y. Here x is equal to 0, this is here y is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0. If you want to get the 0 as a product, either number of this should be 0, either value of the product should be 0, either this y equal to 0 or x equal to 0. Then you will get the 0 because 0 multiple of 0 is 0. So this implies x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, This is x is equal to plus 3 by 2, right? These are the roots of the equation or values of the equation. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Just put the 1 here, okay? 2 minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, 0. Just put the 3 by 2 also we can get, okay? 3 by 2 means what? 3 minus 3 by 2 means minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3, right? This becomes 6 minus 15 plus 6, 3 by 2 na? Plus 3 by 2, okay, after this x square is there, no? Okay, 2 into 9 by 4 minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3, x square is there, so 2 ones are 2 twos are 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3, this becomes, okay, 9 minus 15 plus 6 by 2. Okay, this becomes 0 now. 9 plus 6 becomes 0. Yes, these x equal to 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation, zeros of the quadratic polynomial, and whatever it will be, value of the x that satisfy the equation condition. So these are the exact values. Okay. This is the called solution. Finding the values of the x to satisfy the given condition, that is called solution of the quadratic equation by factorization. This is the linear product of the factors. In this method is called factorization, linear factors. Okay. Let's see the second question also. Okay. Then question is 3x square minus root. Okay. Question is Question is 3x square. Find the roots of the equation 3x square minus 2 root. Okay, 3x square minus 2 root x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. On the first step here, multiply these terms. Okay. This is the 3 into 2. 3 into 2, we are getting 6. Then factors of 6 are, okay, here root 6 is there. Okay, let's see. Write the factors of this, each one root. So we can write, okay, 2 into 3, you should get root 6 multiplication. Okay, so what is the value here? You can get root 6. Okay, minus root 6 you can get minus root 6 you can get, na? Because minus into minus root 6 into minus root 6 should be outside. Root 6 is equal to minus into plus. Root 6 into root 6 is equal to 6. Factors, na? Possible. Also minus root 6 is equal to minus 2 root 6. Okay, just take the values. 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0. And this I am writing as, see, we know already value, root of a into b is equal to root of a into root of b. Here root 6 is equal to root 3 into root 2, right? And 2 is like that, root 2 into root 2, and 3 is like that, root 3 into root 3. These are the indices theorem. Okay, basic concept the indices. Okay, so here I am writing as, this is root 3 into root 3 x square minus root 3 into root 2 x minus root 3 into root 2 x plus again root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, expansion. I expand the whole term. I wrote the 3 into root 3 into root 3, 6 into root 3 into root 2, 6 into root 3 into root 2, and 2 into root 2 into root 2. Take the common outside here. Root 3 is common and x is common. What the remaining is? Root 3 is remaining and x is also remaining minus 2. Root 2 is remaining. I have taken out the root 3 and x common. Root 3 I have taken again. X is taken again. Remaining is here root 3 and remaining is here root 2. Similarly, what is the common here? Root 2. Root 2. Only root 2, na? Yes. The root 2 is common. Okay. Root 3x is remaining and plus minus root 2. We are taking outside, na? Minus root 2. Okay. This is equal to 0. So, in both terms, we have common root 3x and root 3 minus x, root 3 minus 2 root x. Root 3x minus root 2 is common. Remaining terms are root 3x minus root 2. Okay, we are getting same value, na? Okay. Here you can do it also. A square minus b square. Okay, this is like that. Root 3x. Okay, this you can write root 3x square minus 2 into root 3, right? Root 3x into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. This becomes automatically root 3x minus root 2 whole square. This condition. Okay, right. Then what is the condition here? Root 3x minus root 2 whole square, na, is equal to 0. Here you can take the two values you are getting. Okay, here this is not getting confusion, means is equal to 0 or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, value of x is equal to root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3. X is equal to value root 2 by root 3. Same. This is the required value. Yes. Is again also. In next condition they given x is equal to root 2 by 3 and root 2 by 3. Two equations. These are the required condition. Root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. Why? Because root of a by root of b is equal to root of a by b. Standard forms. Okay. Here only the thing is splitting the 6 in terms of minus root x and minus root 6. They are already given. Okay. They are already given. Just only thing is applying the basic logic here. Right. First question. Then can solve by the find the numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, we'll solve only one question from exercise part. Okay, find the in anyway, next we are coming to the only examples. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. And product is 182. Numbers. Okay, x and y are numbers like that. 11 and 12. X is equal to 11. Y is equal to 12. Like that numbers. The sum is 27. The product is 182. Okay, just they put the value again by this one quadratic equation method also. But here this implies x is equal to 27 minus y. Can write, put the value here, x is equal to, okay, what is the x value here? Okay, xy is equal to 182. What the value of x here? 27 minus y into y is equal to 182. This becomes 27y minus y square minus 182 is equal to 0. This standard form becomes y square minus 27y plus 182, right, is equal to 0. Then find this product. Product should be 182, sum should be which one? 27, minus 27. One of the values here, 182. Okay, 270. Can I write this one as 150, 27, 27 sum should be 27. 21 into 8, not possible, no? 21 into 8, 21 into 7, 21 into 6, not possible. 18. Okay, let's check the value here. Let's see the numbers. 182. Okay, factors of 182 are, I can write, what is the nearest number is, factors of 182, I have to write 182. So 2, 3, 4, don't take double digit number. Okay, sum is 27, double digit number 11. 11 ones are 11. 7 is there, 72 not coming. 12 ones are 12. 6, 62. 62 is not going. 13 ones are 13. 5, 52. 13 into 52. 13 3 34 is 13 4 is 42, no? 182. Okay, 13 into 4. This is na 182 by 13. 13 ones are 13 ones are 5. 52 for the 52. 13 into 4. 4 12. 4 and 5 is 52. This is a 4, right? Yes. 13 plus 14 27. Yes, we are getting the answer. Factors are 13 and 14. Okay, minus there na, minus 13 minus 14 are the factors here. So this can write as y square minus 13y minus 14y plus 182 is equal to 0. Take the common here, y minus 13 minus 14 you are taken outside. So this should be y minus 13 is equal to 0, because 13 into 14, 14 into the same, na? 13 into 14 or 4 into 13. So what is the common here? Minus 130 and minus 14 is equal to 0. Answer is y equal to 13 or y equal to 14. These are the numbers. Just add it, we will get the 27. 13 plus 14, 27. Multiply 13 into 40. 130 plus 52, 182. Right, that's the answer. This is the question from the exercise part 4.23. Okay, and the thing is, next concept, the solution of a quadratic equation by computing the square is not for your syllabus for this year. That is the almost every syllabus. The main important topics and toughest subjects are deleted in your syllabus. They are following the COVID batch. I don't know why it is. Okay, this is the next concept. Next concept will be nature of fruits. Before going to nature of fruits, we will derive the equation. The fundamental, very important equation in the whole algebra. This is quadratic equation. So up to there. And okay, thanks for watching the videos and give the valuable feedback. Your comments are the my new inputs to the my updation, whatever it may be. Okay. So I'm going to conclude here. This is the what discussed here. What is the quadratic equation? What is the standard form? X square plus bx plus c is equal to standard form. Then what is the this one? Whether I have to show the given equation is the quadratic or not. It should be in a quadratic form. Is x should have the power at max. Not max at max. Exactly power should be 2. Okay. X square, whatever it may be. This is the quadratic equation. This is x square is equal to 0 is the quadratic, because this cannot write as 0 plus x plus 0 is equal to 0. X square, only the x square is equal to quadratic equation you can write. Means the power of the variable should be 2. Right? And then solution by splitting the factorization method, we are getting two types of the two linear factors here. Then in the product form. So it is either this one equal to 0 or this one equal to 0. Either y minus 15 13 equal to 0 or y minus 14 equal to 0. Then you get the corresponding values. One thing you remember, at the solving the quadratic equation, you should get the two equations, two values, and two values should satisfy the given condition. Two values should be satisfy the given condition. Two values, sum of the two values is 27, product of the two values is 13 and 14. 182. Okay, 130. 13 into 14 means 130 plus 52, 30 into 4. Right? This is the method. If they are correct, then a solution is right, value is right. Then you get the correct good marks. Okay, that's all. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and bye and bye bye. Thank you very much.